Alpha Energy 23's next contest is scheduled for one fall. And he's won a Fighting for Autism United States Championships. Your referee in charge, Mr. Stephen Key. Introducing first to my left, from Melbourne, Victoria, weighing in at 123 kilograms, he is the Melbourne Redneck, And introducing his opponent to my right, from that mountain, he is the reigning, defending, Fighting for Autism United States champion. He is the Thunder of God. He is bigger than Zeus himself. He is that cannon, Mitch Lightning.
Bison, the Australian redneck business.
I wasn't ready, Bison! Oh, I wasn't ready!
Well, you could say he moves faster than lightning, but he's lightning, at least he moves faster.
I'm not scared!
He's running up and Bison forming.
As long as Bison,
Give up! Chicken! No, not chicken! I'm chicken! Oh, I'm nuts! Hey, chicken!
Mitch Lightning beats the
Oh, I love you, buddy! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Lightning to a greater degree.
Make some noise!
Zapping into left before it's rolled back.
sound of thunder meets as the redneck grabs his leg. He's ready to go. Oh, no. Goes under. Uh-oh. Grabbed him by the foot. What can Bison do here? Oh, that's just underhanded tap.
Underhanded or not. Zapping and Bison has been zapped down. The council still here.
1, 2, pushes him off. Almost deadlifts.
What's your red flag?
With the pride there, indeed. As Bison. Well, let's see that.
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. I'm back by 5 seconds. I understand. 1, 2, 3.
Bison, that is just a he moved that leg. Here comes Mitch. Oh, no. Targeting the leg. making the already probably slow Bison into an even slower unit. Here comes Mitch.
Gradually working down the canvas.
Shut your piece of your head up!
Inside, but Bison, strength is still there. And it's just the one.
Yeah! What? Shut your bitch head up! Chicken! You're chicken!
Mitch, double axe handing. To the back. Just in the board.
It's not getting up! Heavy fairy, right there!
Coming out in a hurry.
Let's go, buddy. That's okay, I'll guide you.
Come on, Bison!
Back corner and far away from us afterwards, and
Maybe some fun for me.
You're ugly!
Onto the turnstile, that's gonna hurt. Mitch.
I'm smart.
No, kicks out. Bison still in it. Something.
That was 27.
Just one more zap and we'll retain.
Come on, Bison!
Right now, Bison, world of hurt. And once again, it's time for our explanation to get behind Bison.
Just the tip out there. That's the crowd behind Bison.
Mitch Lightning!
Just pick for something. Bison launches up. Heavy down there. Bison's up. Oh! What's happening here? There, he goes again. Just completely marvelous. Huge.
Bison now. The beat is sizzling.
I'm shocking off just the size of Bison.
Well, the lightning was high up there, so to speak. Ceiling over here. Our energy. Now it's some Mitch Lightning.
Who wants to say a muscle buster?
What can Bison do here? Puts him up to the top rope. Uh-oh. Fights back from Mitch. A little spark almost. Can he fight back? He's going to start well. What's it? Bison catches him.
Goodness, this could be it. You can.
1, 2,
He just zapped the shoulder out before the 3 count. Bison can't believe it, and understandably so.
I am stunned. This is outrageous. Bison needs to find a solution to this fight problem, or it's going to be lights out. He goes on the shoulders, 5 minutes go. Then he finds something. Mitch fights back out of it though. Got him on the head up. Through the move. Bison, start.
It's over!
Counter pass.
1, 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, and still fighting for autism, United States champion, Mitch Lightning.